Hey Marbites and Homo sapiens, welcome back to the channel. I am Rogue Marby Scott and welcome back any new watchers and subscribers. So in the last two videos that I did for going back into the sheer basics, I did my concealer and I did my brows. Now this is all to be unclockable and, you know, having that kind of natural look. Sorry, just bringing my mirror a little bit closer to me. So today I'm wearing both of those looks, or both of those tutorials on my face. I have had a facial today, which is a little disclaimer. I have had a facial today, so if my skin does appear to look a lot different than in the first two videos, that is the reason why. No other reason. I have used the same concealer method and I have used the same brow method. So today we're going to be doing eyeshadow because we want to kick up that natural look just a little, you know, give it a little punch, you know, get our face looking natural, glowy, and also get into a little bit of the glam side. This eyeshadow today you are going to be able to wear every day. I say that, but you know, sometimes you just get carried away. So I'm not going to get carried away today. Anyway, I'm going to be using the Golden Skies palette by Jolie Beauty today. And the shades that I'll be using are Beauty, which is this one here. And possibly Desire, which is a shimmer tone or statue. I'll decide once I've put on Beauty first. So without further ado, let's go on to the tutorial. So using a fluffy brush, I'm just going to start from the outer corner of my eyes and work my way in. I am going to try my best not to blend above here. Oh my gosh. Why is my brush so stained? Whatever. Anyway, we're just going to blend now, okay? And as you can see, I'm not using any concealer or anything on my eye. I'm basically using all the makeup that I have on my face so far, or lack thereof. And the reason being is because I don't want the shade to be so pigmented. I don't want, I mean, although the pigment is strong, the force is strong within this, I don't want it to show up brighter than what it needs to be. I want it to be very subtle. I just want it to be very clean and subtle. If you want to, you can use a eyeshadow guard, but today I feel like I don't really want one, and I don't want to put tape on my face, mostly because I've already got my makeup on. But yeah, just blend in so. And once you've got that colour on, just get your brush and clean it off, get off the excess, and start blending away again from the tops, so that it kind of is very seamless into this whole look. And look at the Lord. And it's blending into my skin sublimely. So I think I'm going to go in with Desire, and I'm just going to use my finger just because the payoff with a finger can sometimes be better than a brush. And I'm just going to put that on my lid like so. And using the tip of my finger to kind of blend it in. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to create a little wing. And line my eye. See the difference? It's closing up my light a little bit. Now just with this tiny little brush, I'm just going to smudge that liner. Now you can stop here if you want to, or you can put your mascara on. Well, actually I would advise you to put your mascara on, or you can put on some fake lashes. If you put on your fake lashes, well, fake lashes always tend to make you look like you're wearing makeup anyway, so depending on how you want this look to be elevated, that's when you just put on the type of lashes you want to put on. But today I'm going to put on mascara and mascara only, fix my hair because it's looking a little deadbeat, and I'll be with you in a jiff. So Marbites and Homo sapiens, this is the final look, and as you can see, putting eyeshadow and mascara changes your game completely. It changes your face from being a natural looking person, natural looking skin and everything, natural looking person, but it changes everything and it starts to make you look a little bit more glam. So you could tone this down a little bit. I mean, I kind of went the more extreme version of having a natural everyday look to go to work or whatever you want to do with the shade. I mean, I could have gone with a brown, but I chose not to because I just kind of wanted to showcase what you could do, where you can go. I mean, as long as you're not going too far away from your skin shade, like blues, greens, yellows, and mascara and lashes are always going to elevate your natural look anyway. So I only put mascara on. If I did put lashes on today, this would not be one of those looks where I could be like, yeah, it's an everyday look where it's quick and easy to do. No, it just wouldn't. Anyway, ciao for now, Homo sapiens, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you're watching my mini-series, Urban Legends and Myths, Nursery Rhymes. The first video is already out, or maybe the second video is already out, I don't know. Yeah, schedule and all of that is just like so. Anyway, ciao for now, Homo sapiens, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!